Fáilte Riist, welcome once again to Speaking Our Language. And don't worry if you missed the first programme because you'll have plenty of opportunity to catch up. This week we're going to be teaching you how to give your name and introduce yourself in Gaelic. Today I'm in Loch Maddie, North Uist, and I'm on my way to Leinaclate in Benbecula to a feish, a musical festival. But first of all, to say who you are in Gaelic, you say Is Misha followed by your name. Is Misha Rhoda? I'm Rhoda.
Hallo, Martin.
Hallo.
Is Misha morgen niet klaar? Doe maar een haarzoek.
Kom maar.
Hallo. Is Misha morgen niet klaar?
Hallo, Wora. Kom maar naar huis.
Kom maar.
Is Misha Ellen Hutchison?
Hallo, Ellen.
Is Misha Marston Campbell?
Marston, kom maar naar huis.
Glevat appelen.
Is Misha Anna niet gaan?
Anne.
Is Misha Laura niet Gaskell?
Hallo, Laura.
Is Misha, I am. Is Misha. Is Misha Marston Campbell. I am Martin Campbell. Is Misha Marston Campbell.
Loch Namatig means Loch of the Dogs, which refers to all those rocks and skerries behind me, as opposed to the four-legged variety. Well, some of the names used in those scenes may have seemed familiar to you. Listen again and watch out for Is Misha.
Hallo. Is Misha morgen niet klaar?
Hallo, Wora. Kom maar naar huis.
Kom maar.
Is Misha Ellen Hutchison?
Hallo, Ellen.
Is Misha Marston Campbell?
Marston, kom maar naar huis.
Glevat appelen.
Is Misha Anna niet gaan?
Anne.
Is Misha Laura niet Gaskell?
Hallo, Laura.
Hallo, Martin.
Hallo.
Is Misha morgen niet klaar? Doe maar een haarzoek.
Kom maar.
This is the west coast of Uishtatua, North Uist. And out there, on a clear day, you can see Hirscht, St Kilda. Kerstmaha. Right then. The Gaelic word for name is Anam. Name. Anam.
Kerst. Hennem.
Sheena niet gaan.
Anam. Name. Anam.
Kerst. Hennem.
Sheena niet gaan.
Anna.
Smith.
Many Christian names are similar in Gaelic and English, like Mary, Mary or Mary, Anna, Anne or Anna, Alan, Alan, and Ian, Ian or John. Here are some which might not be immediately obvious.
Sheena.
Jean.
Donald.
Donald.
Ellen.
Alan.
Christina.
Christine.
Myra.
Margaret.
Jonathan.
Jonathan.
Helen,
Georgia.
Georgina,
Callum.
Colin,
Morag.
Morag or Marion,
Nurse.
Angus. To ask the question, what's your name, you say, J and Tanam Aharav. J and Tanam Aharav. J and Tanam Aharav.
Alma.
J and Tanam Aharav.
Alistair.
Ik is Jack. Hallo, Kimmer Haashef.
Hakema Tachbelev.
Wel, Jedenje Mahadef.
Madelig König. Gleva. Jane, denne meherev.
Shonak nicht König.
Shonak nicht König.
Hallo, ik is Jack.
Tach believe.
Fiskema, ik is Jack. Tachbelev. Jane, denne meherev.
Wacht niet.
Tachbelev.
J and Tenam Aharav. What's your name? J and Tenam Aharav.
This is the causeway that links Uishtatua with Banyaverla, Benbecula. In those scenes, the phrase Hig Ishtech was used. Come in. Hig Ishtech. Hig Ishtech. Listen again.
Ik is Jack. Hallo, Kimmer Haashef.
Hakema Tachbelev. Fiskema, ik is Jack. Tachbelev. Jane, denne meherev.
Wacht niet.
Shonak nicht König.
Hallo, ik is Jack.
Tach believe.
Time to catch up with our drama, Ekintai, at home. Look out for how people are introduced.
Hallo, dzień dobry, meherev.
Mrs. MacLeod.
Ah, Mrs. MacLeod. Ik is Jack.
Seo Ellie.
Hallo.
Agus seo Join.
Hallo, it's Mr. Fleming.
Ian. Ik is Jack.
Hallo, Mr. MacLeod. Ik is Jack.
These hills behind me are in Uist Jess, South Uist. Did you notice how people were introduced? The word Shaw was used, followed by the name. Shaw.
Hello, Jindanya Mahilov.
Mrs. MacLeod?
Ah, Mrs. MacLeod. Hickesteach.
Seo Ellie?
Hello.
Agus seo Join.
Hello. It's Mr. Fleming.
Ian, hickesteach.
Hello, Mr. MacLeod. Hickesteach.
In this next situation, Alistair is introduced to other people at a party. Watch out for Shaw, followed by a name.
Hickesteach. Alistair. Seo Alistair Maristan. Alistair, seo Callum MacLeod agus Anna Clóid. Seo Margaret Scott. Alistair.
Is it Misha Julie? Come on, Hashu, Alistair.
Look at that, I believe.
Callum MacLeod agus Anna Clóid. When you speak in Gaelic, if you're a woman, you use Nick rather than Mac. Callum MacLeod. Callum MacLeod, but Anna Clóid. Anna Clóid.
Hickesteach. Alistair. Seo Alistair Maristan. Alistair, seo Callum MacLeod agus Anna Clóid. Seo Margaret Scott. Alistair.
Is it Misha Julie? Come on, Hashu, Alistair.
Look at that, I believe.
Hello,
Hello.
is Misha Rhoda Nicol.
Camera Hashu.
Traditionally, people were known by the names of their fathers or their forefathers. Alistair MacGillivray is the son of Donald. Listen.
Ismisha Alistair, Mach Gael, Vich Vari Burachi.
Benbecula boasts what must be one of the finest schools in Scotland. Gàidhlig is a community school where adults and children alike are able to use the school's facilities. With its swimming pool, music room, library, cafe and theatre, the school, which was built in the late 1980s, has become the centre of the island's social life. The facilities make the school the ideal location for the Feish, or festival. Feish Chiravurain is a week of music, drama and fun for any young people wishing to take part. The song is called Is Fluch an Eiche, Wet is the Night. This is Castell Fwrwg, Borv Castle, near Gàidhlig. To recap, if you want to introduce yourself, you say Is Misha, followed by your name. Is Misha Rhoda? I'm Rhoda, for example. If you want to introduce someone else, you say Shaw plus the name. Shaw, Shawris. You may want to introduce a member of your family to someone. Watch out for the phrases yn dynia acum, my husband, and yn mac acum, my son.
Seo anna ní Kenny.
Tapleif. Hello, Kimmer Hashif.
Cléfa tapalaib. Seo an duine acum callam.
Hello.
Hello.
Agus seo amach acum iáin.
Hello, Ian.
Hello.
Din hana ma hyddef.
Nich casgal. Sionach nich casgal. Agus seo yn dyniach am ddol. Agus seo Catriana yn un ac am.
Nian, daughter or girl. In Nian acum, my daughter. Listen out for the phrase my wife, a ven acum, in this next scene.
Hello, Catriona. Kimmer Hashif.
Ac yma tapleif, cyn eisiau ffyn.
Cléfa. A Catriona, seo ven acum Sionach.
Helo. Sio ymach ag ymnial, agos sio Kirsty yn un ac ym.
A ven agam. My wife. A ven agam. An nian agam. My daughter. A nian agam. An dunya agam. My husband. An dunya agam. Mach agam. My son. Mach agam. Hello, Kimmer Hashif.
Cléfa tapalaib. Seo an duine acum callam.
Hello.
Hello.
Agus seo amach acum iáin.
Hello, Ian.
Hello.
Din hana ma hyddef.
Nich casgal. Sionach nich casgal. Agus seo yn dyniach am ddol. Agus seo Catriana yn un ac am.
Hello, Catriona. Kimmer Hashif.
Ac yma tapleif, cyn eisiau ffyn.
Cléfa. A Catriona, seo ven acum Sionach.
Helo. Sio ymach ag ymnial, agos sio Kirsty yn un ac ym.
Time now to catch up with Charlotte v. Claude, the MacLeod family in Egintay. Watch out for the phrase used for thank you.
Ik is sterk.
Seo amach acum. Agus seo yn un acum.
Hello, is Mr. Fleming.
Is mysio Eli nich glod, agos sio Owen mach glod.
Tapele. Ik is sterk.
Ian, ik is sterk.
Instead of tap alive for thank you, tapelet was used. Tapelet is less formal. Listen again.
Ik is sterk.
Seo amach acum. Agus seo yn un acum.
Hello, is Mr. Fleming.
Is mysio Eli nich glod, agos sio Owen mach glod.
Tapele. Ik is sterk.
Ian, ik is sterk.
Coffee?
Tappelet.
Just ma.
Hi, Evie.
Mammy.
Tappelet.
That's all for this week. In our next programme, we'll be talking about where we live and how to give someone's address. Till then, Jerry and Rasta. Bye for now.
In this programme, we introduced you to Ismisha Marston Campbell. Ismisha Marston Campbell. Enyam. Enyam. J and Henyam a hurif. J and Henyam a hurif. Hik is Czech. Hik is Czech. A ven agam. A ven agam. An dunje agam. An dunje agam. An nien agam. An nien agam. Mach agam. Mach agam.